What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a look that's inspired by the 1960s mod movement. The style that I'm going to be doing my outfit and my hair is a little bit different, but the makeup is still going to be very mod. So I've always wanted to do a look like this, but I never really knew how to go about doing it. So I kind of put together this little idea that is sort of like mod, but it's a little bit more newer style. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started into the tutorial. So on my face and my neck, I primed my skin with the NYX Pore Filler. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in the shade Light 44, and I'm going to apply that all over my forehead, my face, and my neck. Going in with the Snazaroo Clown White Cream Makeup, I'm going to apply that under my eye as a highlight and in between my eyebrows as a forehead highlight. Alright, so going back in with my Beauty Blender, I can go ahead and blend all of that out. Next, I'm just going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette in the shade Java and apply my contour. And just taking that along my jawline as well. Going back in with that same contour, I'm going to go ahead and slim down the sides of my nose. Alright, so off camera I just went ahead and set everything and reinforced all of the contour. And now just to bring a little bit more highlight to my nose, I'm going to apply Snazaroo's Clown White just to the bridge where I left a little space in between the contour. And I can just go ahead and set that with some white eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using Taco by Sugar Pill. So for my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's lipstick in the shade Dominatrix. It's just a really nice warm chocolate brown, and I think it would look really good with the look that I'm trying to do. So as you can see, the eyebrows are very messy and kind of sloppily just thrown on there, but that's just because we are going to carve everything out with the Snazaroo Clown White. And just taking a little bit of Taco by Sugar Pill, we can go ahead and set that. Alright, so this eye look is actually super easy. It's just a very thick black line for our cut crease, and that's basically it. So taking my Baby's Got Black liner from Wet n Wild, I'm going to roughly draw in the shape of the crease that I want. On top of the eyeliner, we're going to take some black eyeshadow and just lightly pat it onto the area just to make sure that it's nice and matte and black. So now that we have our eyeliner nice and carved out onto our crease, we can go ahead and carve out the eyeliner even more using some Clown White by Snazaroo. And just to set that in place, I'm going to be taking Taco by Sugar Pill. So at this point, you can go ahead and add color if you'd like, or you could add some really thick liner or do something really extra with this. But I'm going to keep it like this. I'm just going to add a small little liner along the lash line just to hide the lash band when I put my fake lashes on. Alright, so for our waterline and underneath our lash line, I'm going to apply Drug Lord by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And just to set that, we are going to be taking Taco by Sugar Pill. So I just went ahead and threw on some top and bottom lashes. These bottom lashes are actually a pair of lashes that I got off of Amazon. I can't remember exactly what the style was, but I just went ahead and cut them into little pieces just so I could apply them individually to give that little doll-like sort of mod illusion. But yeah, that is the eyes all complete. For my blush today, I'm going to be using Jolly Pop by Sugar Pill. And with my Sharpie, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my moles. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using Ice Cold by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So for my lip look today, I'm going to be using Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star Cosmetics with I'm Nude in the center. So this is the completed makeup look. I just have to put my wig and my costume on and we will be back with the completed look. Alright you guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I had so much fun creating this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys hit the little like button down below. And if you're not already, you can also subscribe down below and hit the little notification bell just so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Also, if you guys would like, you can also subscribe to all of my different social medias. They will all be right here. Yes. But yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. And until the next one, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys.